Hi, I'm Zach Anderson of Valley Estate Planning, and in this video, I'm going to share with you the 5 reasons that our clients choose our firm to help them through the probate process. The first few reasons have to do with how we like to go the extra mile for our clients, particularly in the probate context. The next few reasons have to do with the way we handle probate cases, the way we bill, the way we communicate, and things like that. So let's jump in. The first reason is that we like to leave no stone unturned. So for example, we always check unclaimed property for you to see if the decedent had any property that maybe you forgot about, you didn't know about. The second reason our clients like working with us in probate is that we work directly with your accountant or tax preparer, or you if you do it yourself, which is fine and your choice, to make sure that we cut off the IRS's ability to levy claims against the estate, and that you get notices and that your liability is limited to the extent the law provides. And there are some forms that you can file. We'll hopefully do another video on that. I've got video topics kind of lined up. We'll add that one to the list. On those forms, we take care of all that with you by working directly with your accountant, and I've found that our clients really appreciate that. Third, you get our firm's knowledge base on probate. Our attorneys have over 50 years combined experience in probate in North Alabama. So we know the best bond agents to use, the most responsive bond agents. And I'm not going to go into when a bond is needed in this video, but rest assured, if you don't have a will in the probate process, you're probably going to get a bond. That's an insurance policy. We know the best people to do that. We don't receive any kickbacks or anything on that, but we know the best, most responsive people to get that bond issued as soon as possible with as minimal burden on you. Aside from our firm's knowledge base and experience, there's 2 other reasons that our clients have expressed that they like working with us. The first is how we bill. We bill on flat fees. We do not bill hourly. We have an entirely separate video on why this is the case, but the top reason is that it inhibits communication from you. Communication's a big piece of our firm. It's actually a core value, and that's actually the 5th reason that we'll just roll right into it. The 5th reason is communication. Our firm, in addition to not billing hourly, we do capped fees. You're going to get a dedicated probate paralegal, in addition, of course, to your probate attorney from our firm, who is there for your questions and there to make sure you're staying updated on the case. And we deliberately cap the number of cases that our probate paralegals can take because we want to leave room for them to communicate with our clients. Communication is really important. That's reason number 5. I'll link that other video where I talk about more in depth about why we do fixed fees and why we have dedicated paralegals on the cases. I'll link that in the comments to this video. But those are the 5 reasons. Wish you the best of luck on your search.